Sum of terms of a GP. If you have a GP, the sum of these terms can be written as Sn. If we multiply equation 1 throughout by r, we get r times Sn is equal to ar plus ar squared plus so on up to ar raised to the power n minus 1 plus ar raised to the power n. And if we subtract these two equations, will AR will cancel out, AR square will cancel out, AR raised to the power n minus 1 will cancel out. So you'll be left with Sn minus R times Sn is equal to A minus A times R raised to the power n. On the left hand side, you can take Sn out. So we'll be left with 1 minus R. And on the right hand side, you can take A common. So you'll have 1 minus R raised to the power n. And dividing both sides by 1 minus r will get Sn is equal to A times 1 minus r raised to the power n divided by 1 minus r. By taking negative sign common from the numerator and denominator, the above result can also be written as A times r raised to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. So we can use these two formulae for sum of n terms of a GP. One thing to notice here is that r should not be equal to 1. If r is 1, then this formula is not defined. For r equals 1, the sum of n terms is given as A times n.